here. Oh, he looked at us? Did he see us?
Don't go in that shit, man. What is this? It's grass. It's just
Yeah, it's all grass that they just dump. What the fuck? Why is it so nasty?
This is shit.
It actually smells like shit.
This is shit, boys. This is
Okay,
sewage.
Why are you taking your shoes off in this shit?
Fucking stepped in some.
Peek out right there. Okay, peek out.
Oh, there's a ball. Their ball's right there. Where? Right there in the corner.
They see me rolling, they hating, patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty, 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 trying to catch me riding dirty. My music's so loud, I'm swinging, they hoping that they gon' catch me riding dirty, trying to 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 catch me riding dirty.
Kid, I don't think they can see me, kid. I don't know when she's about to. You guys ready? Yep, their ball might not be there though. Okay, we'll do a third one. She did her practice. She did. Do you think you can do another one? Okay, she's gonna swing on this one. No, she didn't swing yet. She missed it. Okay, so do it on this one. Okay, do it on this one. She just swung.
Do the blue guy. sneak out of here.
Keep it filming.
Run. Now we gotta sneak out here. Okay, Marco, you film. Get out here. Come. No, don't forget. Where's the flag stick? There is no.
Where is he, man?
Watch the CBS video.
Wait, why? Can you film?
What?
Can you film?
So you get that?
I don't know.
Don't leave that behind, boys. We just get out here, man. They easily called the marshals.
We're off the course. Okay, just tell Jordan to drive down here. Okay. Here, we're in the marina.
Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Go! Oh. I can't close it! I was like, Bert, get out, boys! Full send, baby!
Were they chasing?
You should have seen the videos we got.